Hello everyone, I'm a student of Master of Technology of Federation University, and today I'm making this video for our assignment, that is a sprint retrospective. And this video gives you a brief idea about the Sprint-1 of our project. So the project is about IRMA reporting, and IRMA is an integrated research management application system used by the FedUni researcher team, and that helps in recording all sort of researcher and publication data. So the project is about reporting from IRMA for the people and publication information, and the project requirement is to create reports through SQL queries for the researcher team of the Federation University so that they generate reports from IRMA related to FedUni researcher and publication, and they're able to differentiate with the help of these reports the internal and external publication along with their associated schools. And the functional requirements of the project is broadly classified under 5 major reports with some sub-reports as specified by the client. So in the first sprint, our team focused on the first 2 reports that covers the user story 1 and 2, which is basically to generate a reports on the publication information for the client, who will provide these reports manually to the associated schools if required, and to generate reports on the school specific publication along with the researchers. So in sprint 1, our task is to generate SQL queries so that a cumulative report is created on all publication for client, and a school-wise report is created on all publication for each school of Federation University. And these reports should be able to display everything under some acceptance criteria, and that covers the details of all the publication, which includes IRMA ID, title, publication year, category, number of internal external authors, pages, sources, citations, status, and along with the details of the author, which includes the name of the author, their employee ID, whether they're internal or external at this time. And my job during this sprint is to do the data preparation and to check the data redundancy and create an Excel sheet of the outcomes of the query. To generating an SQL queries, we are working on a Microsoft Server Management Studio with the help of the login ID and password provided by the IRMA team. So there are several challenges we faced during our first sprint, as the data is accessible in university domain only, and the dataset contain hundreds of tables. And while applying the SQL function, we need to map various tables with the help of several functions. So yes, we worked out in a team. We find out several SQL queries functions that is applicable on the varied table, so that we'll be able to join. And by the end of the sprint, yes, we will be successfully completed. We have successfully completed all the tasks and the user stories assigned in this sprint. And the only thing we are left with except the client feedback and approval on our reports due to the unavailability of the client in the last week. And now, but we are in touch with the client via email, and we have already scheduled a meeting in coming week to finalize the reports and the roadmaps, as it is already sent by, but that's pending for approval. And hopefully, if everything goes well and we got the approval, so we'll be able to generate further reports that will surely help IRMA for reporting their publications. Thank you for watching me.